Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino, SPCE, Virgin Galactic, daily chart starting on that. Well, there was nothing to report the last couple days. You had a rally up, didn't quite fill the gap, then a reversal. This was an inside bar. This just dipped below the Monday, or what was that? The 8th of June's low, and then closed just above it. So still stuck in consolidation until today. Gap down to the GAN level. Tried to rally, filled the gap, could not. Let's jump down to the 4 hour real quick. Couldn't even get back to the 4 hour rotation zone. The level we were watching was this. You can see it's kept getting dragged down, but there's a little support shelf here, and that's where the rotation zone closed for the day. So that's what we'll be watching on any rally tomorrow. Above today's high, major resistance about 1580. And then we're going to be watching, because we're starting to get some separation, about 1620. Although this is pretty weak. I'm jumping back to the daily chart now. You can see it got down to the 200. Finally got down touching the 200. And just below the most recent swing low. So that's a pretty big deal because it closed below the most recent swing low. So if we break below this 1430 level tomorrow, we're going to be looking at 1340, which is right at this gap open. And then this was not fully filled gap. Then we are going to be watching the 1297 level and then 1249. Not oversold condition either. So keep that in mind. Now there is resistance just because I updated these the GAN levels, which at 1520. So there's some resistance on 1520 on any rally. That's the 12. I should actually, they're the wrong way. Let me fix that for you. And for me, of course, because we don't want incorrect charts. Here we go. So that would be a 12.5% rally off this bottom. And you know the two major ones we watch, especially starting out at 12.5 and 25. 25 takes us just above the rotation zone at 16 and doesn't quite fill that gap. So there's lots of now overhead resistance. So really pay attention tomorrow. If we do break below the lows, start watching at 1340 and 1249. If you're just trading this from the long side, know where your stops are because you can always get back in at a lower price. It's not even oversold yet on the daily. 4 hour just entering oversold. So we have for you on Virgin Galactic, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.